Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the integer n and then the array of n integers and the integer k as the input, and after accepting the inputs we have to check for each element from starting to k. The program must add the reminder from, that is, the program must add the reminder dividing from the k plus 1th element to the n element, and finally the program must print the revised array elements as the output. So first we are going to accept the integer n and then the array of n integers and then the integer k as the input, and for each element from starting to k the program must add the remainder dividing from the, so starting to the kth element, and program must add the remainder dividing from the k plus 1th element to the nth element, and finally the program must print the revised array elements as the output. So now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case we have n as 5 here, and then here k is 2, and this is the array. So we'll just copy it for our reference. So here the k is 2, so the first two elements will be used for dividing. So we'll start the dividing from the k plus 1th elements. So first we'll have 10. So when we divide 10 by k plus 1th element, that is 61, and by dividing we have to add the remainder to that 61. So 10 divided by 61 is 1, so 1 will be added to 61, it becomes 62, and then 10 will be divided with 78, so the remainder will be 8 and it will be added, and then here the remainder is 0. So now the k value is 2, means we have to go for the second one, that is 24. So when it comes to 24 we are going to divide it with the other three elements. So 24 divided by 62 gives the remainder as 14. So here we'll have 76, and then when we divide 86 and 24 the remainder is 14, and when we add it to the element it is 100, and then when we divide 24 and 90 the remainder is 18, and we add it to 90 it gives 108. So this is the revised elements, and this will be our output. So now let's see how to solve this program. So first we'll get our integer n, and then we'll get the array using list of map of int comma input of dot split off, and then we'll get the kth element, and now we are going to iterate over each index. So for index 0 to index k, so in that iteration we'll have again a sub index where we'll be iterating from k to n, that is from k plus 1 element to the n element. So now we are going to divide the subindex and the index and get the remainder and add it to the subindex. So array of subindex will be equal to the division of, so array of subindex and index will give the remainder, and that remainder will be added to the subindex. And after that, finally we will print the array elements as the